Welcome to my channel Chemistry Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stereochemistry of organic compounds. What is stereochemistry? Stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the three-dimensional structure of atoms in a molecule is called stereochemistry. See the example of chloroform which are presented in three-dimensionally. So this is called stereochemistry. The first definition is isomers. Some compounds which have similar number of atoms but differ in physical and chemical properties and are called isomers. And the phenomena is called isomerism. So these isomers have same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms within a molecule. So see the example, that is pentane. The formula of N-pentane is C5H12, but this pentane shows three different structures but the chemical formula is same. First one is called N-pentane and second one is 2-methyl-butane. Third one is 2,2-dimethylpropane. So here the molecular formula is same but they show more than two structures is called isomerism. On the basis of nature of arrangements of atoms or groups, isomerism are further classified into two categories, that is, first one is constitutional isomers or structural isomers. Second one is stereoisomers. Again, this structural isomer is divided into 6 types. First one is chain isomers. Second, positional isomers. Third, functional group isomers. Fourth, metamerism. Fifth, tautomers. Sixth, ring chain isomers. And stereoisomers are again divided into 2 types based on the rotation of the atoms through the single bond or without rotation of the atoms. So here first one is configurational isomers and second one is conformational isomerism. Configurational isomerism again divided into 2 types, that is geometrical and optical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism there are 2 types of isomers are there. First one is cis and trans. Second is E and Z isomers. In optical isomerism there are 3 types are divided. First one is diastereomers. Second, enantiomers. Third, mesocompounds. This chart is most important. So it is overall about isomers, different type of isomers. If you learn this chart, it is easy to identify the isomers. See, the first isomerism is structural or constitutional isomerism. Definition of this isomerism is the compound which have the same molecular formula but different connectivity of atoms in molecules is known as constitutional isomers and the phenomena is called constitutional isomerism. Here one most important thing is structural isomers usually have different physical and chemical properties. So here the molecular formula is same but the connectivity of atoms is different. See the example of C3H6O. Here this formula can form 2 types of structures. First structure is called acetone and the second structure is called propanaldehyde. But the formula is same but the connectivity of atoms is different. So this is called structural isomerism. These structural isomerism again divided into 6 types. First one is chain isomerism, second positional isomerism, third functional isomerism, fourth ring chain isomerism, fifth metamerism, and sixth is tautomerism. In structural isomerism divided into 6 types. First one is chain isomerism. The definition of chain isomerism is when two or more compounds have similar molecular formula but different carbon skeletons. These termed as chain isomers, and the phenomena is termed as chain isomerism. See the example. The molecular formula is C5H12. This formula can show 3 different structures. So here the molecular formula is same but the arrangement of atoms are different. So that is called chain isomerism. See, the first one is called pentane, second one is called isopentane or 2-methyl-butane, and third one is neopentane, 2,2-dimethyl-propane. Here in first one the atoms are arranged in one chain structure, but in second carbon atom having one methyl group. In third structure, second carbon atom having 2 methyl groups. But overall these 3 structures molecular formula is same, but the atoms arrangement is different. This is called chain isomerism. See the second isomers, that is positional isomerism. These isomers have same molecular formula but differ in the position of a functional group on the carbon chain. See the molecular formula C3H7Cl. The first positional isomerism is called 1-chloropropane, means chlorine is attached in first carbon. So that is, this structure is called 1-chloropropane, and second one is the functional group chlorine that is attached on the second carbon atom. So this structure is called 2-chloropropane. The position of the functional group is different in each structure, so that is the reason this isomer is called positional isomerism. See the third structural isomerism is functional group isomerism. Definition is which have the same molecular formula but differ in the functional groups, and the phenomena is called functional group isomerism. Here the example, the molecular formula is C3H6O. This molecular formula will show 2 different type of structures. In the first structure, the middle one is C11O is called ketone group. So this structure is called acetone, and second structure CHO means that is aldehyde. Same molecular formula but the functional group is different in each structure. So here most of the students are confused in functional group isomerism and positional isomerism. Here positional isomerism means the position of the functional group is different in each structure, but in functional group isomerism means the functional group is different in each structure. Remember the difference. The fourth structural isomerism is called metamerism. These have different number of carbon atoms on either side of a bifunctional group. So these are called functional groups. Example is called diethyl ketone, means in third carbon having ketone group. So the number of alkyl groups in both sides of the ketone group is different. So that is called metamerism. See this second structure. Here the ketone group is attached in second carbon, and in one side one methyl group is there, in other side is propyl group is there. So group is the attachment of alkyl groups in is different is called metamerism. And the third structure, the ketone group is attached with one methyl group and one isopropyl group. So this is called metamerism. So the ketone group, the number of methyl groups are attached indifferently in each structure is called constitution metamerism. The fifth structural isomerism is called tautomerism. This is a special type of functional isomerism in which isomers are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. See the example, that is ethyl acetoacetate. This ethyl acetate is which are a mixture of two equilibrium forms, that is keto form and second one is enol form. And the example is also keto form of acetone and enol form of acetone. Ketone means C double bond O is called ketone. COH is called enol form. So this is alcohol group, this is ketone group. How these structures are formed, of hydrogen will change in each structure, but the formula, chemical formula is same. The last structural isomerism is ring chain isomerism. Here the compound having the same molecular formula, but it shows two type of structures. One is open chain and another one is cyclic structure is called ring chain isomerism. See the example. Here the formula is C2H6. This C2H6 shows two types of structures. First one is chain type of structure, that is alkene, and second one is ring type structure, that is called cyclopropane. So any structure which shows one chain structure and another in ring structure is called ring chain isomerism. These are the some important questions from this topic, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.